I'm a holistic health coach. I also teach. So I just want to watch everything that I put into my body, on my body. And I know holistic dentists also, they can detect things before, your doctor, just from the mouth. And he was explaining a lot of stuff, and he made me feel very comfortable, and that's important to me. When I would speak about holistic stuff, people would be like, I don't want to hear, I don't want to hear, I don't want to hear. Now they're like, tell me about it. So they're ready.
What do you think the change? Why do you think the change came?
I think because of the sickness in this world, the diseases, and being a teacher, I see so many children with so many learning disabilities that people are saying, okay, there's something going on. People are becoming aware. They want to take charge of their bodies also and do the best for themselves and their family. I was told I needed root canal, and I really wanted a second opinion. So when I came here to Dr. Lerner, he'd said that you don't need the root canal. It was just like a tear or something in the tooth or crack, and he fixed that. And I was so happy because I really didn't want to go through any root canal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. From day one, he just made me feel so comfortable, and the whole staff. The staff is great, but he cares. You could tell he cares, and sincere.